Ready to perform THX2 certified audio system launch sequence. Stand by for airlock and cabin pressurization.
Copy that. Cabin secure. Powering up audio system starting with THX slot speaker.
Begin stereo and DTS neural upmix.
Roger. Making jump to 5.1 and checking fidelity.
Whoa.
Firing up full subwoofer power.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's a lot of sound.
Commencing frequency response and dynamic sequence.
System check complete. Initiating final launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Driver and passengers, the in-cabin entertainment experience in this 2010 Lincoln MKT is brought to you by THX and Lincoln and is powered by 14 speakers, including an optimized subwoofer system and a 12-channel DSP-controlled amplifier. We are currently cruising at 600 watts. You are now free to switch between CDs, DVD audio discs, MP3s, satellite radio, and a 10-gigabyte hard drive jukebox. For your safety, we ask that you use the exclusive Sync system, which is powered by Microsoft and is the industry's most convenient hands-free way to manage your music and phone calls. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy an entertainment experience like none other on the open road.